really chalk paste to paint this board. This is just scrap wood from my garage. Once I applied the paint, I added my husband's heat gun, and he helped me zoom out for a better view. I got these at the Dollar Tree in the home decor section. They are stickers. I had to go get a ruler to try to make it as symmetrical as possible on this board. So once I got these placed down, then I was able to Mod Podge them and get them sealed so that they would stay. I thought this would be cute in a entryway or a mudroom. So this cactus has this extra piece on the left side. I ended up cutting that off so that it would fit. And then I used my Mod Podge to seal it. I added a little too much here on this far right one, so I ended up just swiping it with my finger, but it did bubble a little bit, which you'll see in a minute. But I really wanted to get the edges of all of these so that it would stay down and not bubble. So once I had that down, then I got my heat gun again to help dry it more quickly, and you can see I'm working out some of the bubbles, which it did end up adhering in the end, but I was concerned there for a minute that it was not going to seal properly. I went back over the edges with the paintbrush and then used my Cricut to get some letters printed out in vinyl. I think a copper color would have been great here because the wood frames on this actually has a little copper in it, but I didn't have that color, so I just went with black. So I spaced these in between. Unfortunately, the love was off of the camera, so you can't see the finished product right now, but you'll see it later. I think when weeding vinyl, sometimes the tape is super helpful and sometimes it does not stick very well. So on this next one, you'll see that I use the pick to hold the top of the letter. I feel like that helps grab it and keep it in place while I'm peeling. Holding the top of the letters helps me keep it down while I'm peeling the tape away. Then I grab my ruler to make sure that it lines up with love, even though you can't actually see that one. Then I'm going to do the same thing with here. Line them up again with the ruler so that it is as close to a perfect line as possible. I definitely think holding it with that pick helps a bunch. Then I put Mod Podge over these to seal the edges and keep them down. And I wanted to hang this with some picture hangers on the back in like an entranceway or a mudroom. So I put some circles at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it here. I actually did that off camera and didn't realize it until I was editing the video, but I had this pink knob, which I think is so cute, except it's just a little too girly for this project in an entranceway. So I ended up switching to the white hook that you just twist in. So after drilling a pilot hole, then I get the white hooks and twist them until they can't go in any further or are straight up and down. So you can see the first two here, and then I finished with two more, so there's a total of 4. So I'll be adding some picture hooks to the back of this, and here's the finished product. I am going to upload this item to my Etsy shop. Please check it out there, and I have other products available as well. Thanks. Make sure you subscribe and like my videos. Have a great day.